Again, Fuggler fans, I got these things from AliExpress, but by the time this video posts, they'll probably be sold out. These are from Wave 3, which is getting hard to find. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to finish the collection unless I go to eBay and buy someone's old product. But as new products, they're getting hard to find. Alright, anyhow. So this first one is called Ooogah Boogah. This one is Rico, and that is Screech. So let's start off with this crazy long-haired Ooogah Boogah. So Ooogah Boogah is in white, and yeah, this is definitely some long hair that you'd find on their the medium-sized Fugglers. But look at that, the stuff just breaks off so easily. So I actually don't like the long-haired ones anymore, not as much. They look cool, but I'm really concerned about the longevity of this. You know, every time you brush it or touch it, you're destroying the product. Okay, well, moving on. There seems to be some sewing thread coming through that tooth gap there. Let me get some sewing scissors. Cut that off. Alright. So Ooogah Boogah's got 4 molars, it seems. Quite interesting. And they're on the top. And hold on, this is still driving me a little nuts. Alright. So a felt mouth of gray, and then we have a felt tongue here of pink, of course. No bottom teeth. You could try to manipulate that a little bit, but I think it just looks pretty good the way it is, right? You can clearly see the teeth. Ooogah Boogah, for some reason, almost always comes with buttons. I'm not aware. Maybe in one of the earlier versions they had eyes, but a brown button here, and I guess a light gray button on that side. The stitching on this is interesting. It's molded into the plastic, but it's a really coarse looking thread versus that one looking a little... Yeah, that also looks a little different. Anyhow, some minor legs, minor but cute little arms. This Chinese tag here is textured, and the back one is also Chinese but also English, and it says 2024. A little cardboard piece here, some 2024, and another Chinese sticker. And then your standard butt-on hole there, in plastic with the TM there. Then a nylon webbing holding the keyring, which says Fuggler. It's molded into the plastic itself on both sides. And you want to open it sideways. You don't want to try to open it that way. I bet you'll break the plastic. Alright, so that's Ooogah Boogah. I wonder if that's based off the character from like that Tim Burton, was it Corpse Bride movie? There was a monster kind of like that. Not sure, leave a comment. So Rico, I like this one. So it's got 3 eyes here, of course you can see they're yellow and they're cat eyes, but they're not done as well as they could have been. Like for some reason this ovoid doesn't look the same. This one's, they're not all perfect. Like there's some extra black there. It just doesn't look right. I don't know. Well, and then Rico's got 4 teeth. It's kind of hard to see, but and he's got a gap tooth as well and the pink mouth. Let's see if I can maybe manipulate this mouse so you can see the teeth a little more. If I try to push that look going forward. I think the mouth width is just a little too small. Well, that's better actually than it was before. So that's nice. And then a soft, short length kind of plush fur. Same tags I see, it seems, right? Same card. Is this the same? Yeah, same hang tag thing with that. And then your standard button there. And the key ring again. Alright. And then Screech. Oh boy, Screech is messed up. I think these are all hand stitched. This one's got a different tag. Or it looks bigger. Or no, maybe it's just because it was folded. But better pronunciation of the legs and the arms. It's just that the head is shifted that way or something. Like look at the ear here. And why is this ear inset so much and not closer to the edge? It's also a different shaped ear. And then for some reason these eyes are really rough looking. Let's see if I can take this little Q-tip, clean that off. Well, that actually helped out. Some sort of grime at the factory. I'm not sure why. You don't want to use paper because paper is abrasive, but a cotton bud is a lot gentler on plastic. These eyes seem better, at least they're round. Though maybe that one's not as perfect either. It's almost like, I don't know if they're painting the inside surface of this thing, or how they're making those eyes, but this mouth is much better though. At least you can see the teeth nice and well. It's kind of funny. The whole mouth is crooked, but I'm going to like it. I just wish this ear was over here. I don't mind the crooked mouth. And your standard button in the back. Alright, so that is that. So, those three. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get the other ones from this wave. It's just too old. But if I can find them for a decent price, I will. Thanks for watching today. See you next time we get a Fuggler going.